The smart home revolution. Invest in the future with tariff changes. In the ever-evolving world of smart home technology, recent tariff eliminations are sending ripples of excitement through the market. If you're curious about how these changes could impact your investments, you're in the right place. Imagine a future where your home is not just a place to live, but a hub of innovation and convenience. With tariffs being lifted, the smart home market is poised for explosive growth, and one particular stock stands out as a golden opportunity for savvy investors. But first, let's talk about what's happening in the market. Tariff eliminations mean that companies can import smart home devices at lower costs, which could lead to more competitive pricing and increased demand. This is great news for consumers looking to upgrade their homes with the latest technology, and it's even better news for investors who want to capitalize on this trend. So, what does this mean for you? If you're looking to stay ahead of the curve, it's essential to keep an eye on the stocks that are perfectly positioned to benefit from these changes. With the right information and tools, you can make informed decisions that could lead to significant gains. For those who want to dive deeper into the market, platforms like Barchart Plus offer a wealth of resources. From stock market overviews to detailed sector analyses, you can access everything you need to make smart investment choices. Plus, with a free 30-day trial, you can explore all the features without any commitment. As the smart home market continues to expand, now is the time to act. Don't miss out on the chance to invest in a stock that could soar as the industry transforms. Stay informed, stay engaged, and watch your investment portfolio thrive in this exciting new era of technology.